So we are going to use the cosine rule to answer this question. And I've taken this question from Zimsec November 2014 past exam paper. Okay, so let's get into the question. So the question is saying that given that side AB is equal to 5 centimeters. So this is side AB, which is equal to 5 centimeters, and AC is equal to 3 centimeters. So this is side AC is equal to what? Is equal to 3 centimeters, right? And the question says further that the angle BAC is equal to 49 degrees. So the angle BAC, this angle, is equal to 49 degrees. Okay, so given that angle BAC is equal to 49 degrees, find x. So the question is saying that we should find this side x, right? That's the side we are supposed to find. So we are going to use the cosine rule to find side x. The cosine rule states that c squared is equal to b squared plus a squared minus 2ab cos c. So this is the cosine rule. Now I want you to get this. Cosine rule inongoshanda chete pane v angle, right? What do I mean by v angle? So this is the cosine rule. The cosine rule says that c squared is equal to b squared plus a squared minus 2ab cos c. So I want you to take note of this. The cosine rule can only be applied where two sides are given and the included angle is given. Like what you see here. This side is given, and this side is given, and the included angle is given. That's the only instance where you use the cosine rule, in which the angle is not a right angle triangle. You can see that this angle is not a right angle triangle, and this angle, this side is given, this side is given, and the included angle is given. That's the only instance you use the cosine rule. Okay, so we can rewrite the cosine rule to fit our situation, right? So therefore, we can rewrite it to say that a squared is equal to c squared plus b squared minus 2bc cos a. Okay, you see it, right? So we've rewritten the cosine rule to fit our situation. So now let's name our sides now. We want to name all the sides on the triangle. So if we name all the sides, the opposite side to angle C is side C. So this is side C, small letter C. So the side opposite to angle B, this is angle B. The side which is opposite is side B, the small letter B. So this is side B, right? And the side opposite to angle A is side A with the small letter A. So I want you to notice something. Side A is being represented by x, right? This x. So side A is being represented by x. So this question is saying that we should find x. So therefore, in this instance, side A is side x. Okay, so since side A is side x, so therefore we're now saying that x squared is equal to this. It's equal to c squared plus b squared minus 2bc cos A, right? So now we want to plug in the values. So we are now substituting the variables with their values at this point. So therefore, what is C? C is 5 centimeters. Therefore, we have 5 squared plus B. What is B? B is over here. B is 3 centimeters. Therefore, we have 3 squared minus. So we have minus 2BC, right? So this means minus 2 times B times C. So therefore, what is B? B is 3 centimeters and C is 5 centimeters. So therefore, we have minus 2 times 3 times 5. Cos A, right? What is A? A is 49 degrees. So therefore, we have 49 degrees over here, right? So now let's simplify. So doing simplification, we are now at this point where we say x squared is equal to 5 squared is equal to 25 plus 3 squared is equal to 9 minus 2 times 3 is 6. 6 times 5 is 30, right? Cos 49 degrees. Okay, so people make a common mistake. Never say 9 minus 30. This is 30 cos 49 degrees, right? So therefore, let's do some further simplification. Doing x squared is equal to, the simplification here, x squared is equal to 25 plus 9, which is equal to 34, minus 30 cos 49 degrees, right? So we are at this final stage now. Okay, so this final stage can be a bit tricky, right? So my students are going to do some second mistake. So I want you to punch this into your calculator separately and make sure that your calculator is in degrees, right? So therefore, if you punch 30 cos 49, you guess 19.7, correcting to the nearest decimal place. So therefore, x squared is equal to 34 minus 19.7, right? So 34 minus 19.7, we get 14.3, right? So therefore, x squared is equal to 14.3, right? Applying the square root sign, So if you apply the square root sign, x will be equal to 3.78 centimeters if you correct to the nearest 3 significant figures. And you know that when you're doing Zimsec, you should only correct to 3 significant figures. So that's your data.